Hey, I'm going to show you the way I set up karaoke because I think my way doesn't get as confusing as others. Sure, it's simpler to just go out and buy a karaoke machine or a cute little karaoke microphone, but my way may be better and cheaper. Plus, you won't need to bother with one of these scary things. Let's begin here on Simple Cafe. Subscribe for more tutorials that are straight to the point. The centerpiece of setting up a karaoke is the microphone. So that's what I'm going to focus on because the songs part is pretty easy now, especially if you have a smart TV. Just go find them and play them on YouTube, right? Okay, back to our focus, which is the microphone. There are many different types out there, so let's just look at what's important now. That is the microphone's plug, because that's what's going to get us into our speaker system. There are two types of common plugs. Your mic plug will look either like this or this. Mine looks like this, but I'm going to need to change it to this with the help of an adapter. This is a 1/4 inch jack, which is common with microphones and headphones, but do take note that it's not that super common smaller 3.5mm auxiliary jack or aux cable. Alright, I hope you already have a mic with either an XLR or 1/4 inch connector. If not, check out the links in the description. Having this plug is what's going to let me keep things super simple, because now all I have to do is plug it into my mini amplifier here. I know, perhaps now you're feeling like giving up because you don't have an amplifier with the mic input, but let me tell you what else you can do if you do buy one. You see, I got this primarily to listen to stereo music and improve my TV sound. And the reason I chose this one in particular is because I noticed that it had a mic input. I thought, great, I'll also be able to use it for karaoke, and so here we are. Now, I don't think they make this model anymore, but I'll put an Amazon link to a similar one for you in the description. Now, one last thing about the mic. Okay, if your connector is like mine, an XLR type, well then you're gonna need an XLR 2/4 inch adapter like this, like I did, in order to connect to your receiver's 1/4 inch mic jack. Now, you can skip this adapter if your mic already has a 1/4 inch plug. Watch this video if you want to see me make this connection in full detail. But that's basically it. If you already had all these things, great. If not, you may think you have a long way to go. But if you can afford to bring all these things together, I really do encourage it, because everything here can be used and adapted for other unseen future situations that you may find yourself in. Like setting up a music or cinema space with an amplifier, or begin recording your own music with a microphone. But as for karaoke, that's it. Just plug the microphone into the amplifier and turn up the microphone volume knob and you're ready to sing. As for the music, in case you didn't know, YouTube has many karaoke songs. Find one, turn it up on your TV, and voila, the music and you are both ready to go. Right up here will be a playlist for other karaoke solutions you may want to check out. Or check this one out if you have an Apple TV or a subscription to Apple Music to learn about Apple's version of karaoke. See you there.